In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website in HubSpot. This comprehensive guide will walk you through 6 straightforward steps that will have your site up and running in no time. Whether you're creating a site for your business, a personal blog, or just exploring the capabilities of HubSpot, the process is designed to be as user-friendly as possible. So, let's dive in and get started with this exciting journey. First things first, you'll want to go to the trial guide on HubSpot. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for everything you'll do moving forward. If you don't yet have access, HubSpot provides trial options that you can explore to get started with. Once you're on the guide, you'll find a wealth of resources and tools available to assist you in crafting your website effectively. Next, navigate to the Website Pages section. This is where the magic truly begins. Clicking on Website Pages will open up the heart of your site building process, where you can start crafting each essential part of your online presence. The interface here is intuitive, offering various options to add new pages or adjust existing ones. After you've accessed Website Pages, the next step is to click on Get Started. This action is all about diving headfirst into the creative and construction phases of your website. By clicking Get Started, you're signaling your intent to begin building your hub for all online activities. Think of this as the starting shot in a race where each click and creation counts towards the final goal. Now it's time to choose a theme, and for that, you'll want to click on All Themes. Themes in HubSpot offer a variety of layouts and designs tailor-made for different purposes, from professional portfolios to e-commerce platforms and everything in between. Selecting the right theme is vital as it sets the tone and aesthetic of your entire site. Don't rush this decision. Browse through the available options and pick a theme that best aligns with your brand's message and style. With your theme selected, you can now begin crafting your pages. Take your time experimenting with different layouts and elements available in HubSpot. Add banners, images, text, and customize these components to match your vision. It's all about making your website unique and reflective of your brand's identity. Remember, the key to successful website creation is patience and careful planning. So don't hesitate to adjust elements or preview your work to ensure that each piece aligns with your overall vision. You'll find that HubSpot's interface is quite accommodating, allowing you to test out various features to see what works best for your content and target audience. Hopefully, this guide provides a clear pathway to getting your HubSpot website off the ground. Feel free to refer back to these steps at any time, and happy creating!